But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I know it's been a while, I am sorry, but we are back today after a few months break with a new closet tour. Before I start the video, I will make a quick warning that there may be issues with the audio or the camera because I am using my new vlog camera and honestly I have no idea how to use it, so I may have to switch to my phone, but it's just a little bit of a warning in case the quality goes to shit. So as you can see behind me, I have a brand new closet, and if you want to check out my first closet tour, it is on my YouTube channel, so just scroll down. But yeah, my whole closet is completely new. This is my new glam room and I'm going to show you guys around. So let's get into it. So I'm going to start with this side of my closet. This is where I keep all of my tops. So I have corsets, jumpers, I have a coat, just everything. And I always like to keep some flowers here, although these are extremely dead, so I do apologize. I will have to go out and get some more. But I love just having some flowers here. I think it just creates some really cute color. I'm going to show some recent pieces that I've bought that maybe weren't in my last closet tour. Really cute pink lace corset top, which I got from Gilly Hicks, Hollister, you know what I mean. I then have like this sports Lululemon dupe top. This is one of the best finds ever. I found this on Amazon, but it is like the exact same quality as Lululemon, but without paying £100. Then in these drawers, I keep all of my pajamas here. So I just fold them up. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really wear pajamas, so this was quite difficult. I feel like this drawer is probably gonna end up getting changed out to something else. But for now, I just keep all of my pajamas here, and it just looks so cute because it's glass, so it just means more pink. The drawers below this are super boring. It is literally just my Depop stuff. It's just a mess in these drawers, so shout out to my Depop. I will put it down here. Please go shop my Depop or my Vintage. This is where I keep mainly trousers, but I didn't have enough trousers, so I decided to just put some sets here as well. So like I have my Named Collective joggers, but I also decided to put the jumper with it because I think it just looks super cute when I'm trying to match the set. And I also have the Hello Kitty trousers from Primark. You guys, these are so comfy. So I just hang these up here along with the rest. I keep some of my hair care things, so I like to keep them in these crates. So I just have like all of my shit in here and it just looks so cute. So adorable. And my new obsession is using these heatless tool hair color things. I actually used it today and I only had it in for like half an hour and it looks so cute. Now in front of all of this I keep my mirror. So as you can see behind me, this is where I keep all of my trousers and my hair stuff, and then right at the bottom I have a Dolls Kill crate, and that's where I keep all of my accessories, everything from wigs, leg warmers, gloves, everything. I just chuck it in there. It's such a mess in there, but I just thought it looks so cute and just fills the gap at the bottom. Moving on, this is where I keep all of my dresses. Now guys, I have some really gorgeous dresses at the moment. So as you can see, this one that I'm wearing, I actually got this from AliExpress. It's actually gorgeous. It's so cute. And then I just have some of my other dresses hanging up. So I have like this gorgeous one which is from Shein, but I got this from Vinted. And then this one is actually from Shein and I was so surprised, and you guys will see this on my TikTok and my Instagram, so go and follow me over there at Scorpion Ho, shamelessly plugging myself. What's really funny about this is here is my gorgeous pink dress collection, and then if we move over just a tiny bit to this wardrobe, as you can see this one has got a door, and the reason for this is because everything behind this door is black, and as you guys know, I like black, but I'm a pink girly and I need my room to be pink. So I hide everything in this closet. So in here I kind of just keep my joggers, my coats, my jeans, like literally everything that's not pink just gets shoved in this wardrobe basically. And then I thought I'm going to hide it by adding a door, so you would never know. You would assume that there's pink behind there, but there isn't. I do apologise if the lighting is kind of shit over here. It's because I have my window behind me, so it probably looks a little bit strange. But I thought I'd move over to my shoe collection. This is where I keep all of my shoes. There is a gap missing here, which is because I am wearing the shoes that are from this gap. But yeah, this is just where I stock them all up. Below this, I will insert a clip. I just keep some of my plushies because I'm not gonna lie, I don't have enough shoes to fit the whole length, but that's fine, that's probably a good thing anyway. So I just keep some of my plushies, and my big jumbo Hello Kitty plushie fits here perfectly. So over here is my doorway, and then this is where I keep my vanity. So this is actually new as well. This is where I do my makeup, do my hair, do everything. It's so cute. I'm definitely going with more of a white vibe because I just think it looks so much brighter and it makes the pink stand out a lot more. I have all of my jewellery here. This is not new. If you guys have seen my last closet tour, you'll know that that was in the exact same place. But yeah, I still just keep it here. So as you can see, I just have this super cute heart mirror, which was also in my last video, but I decided to move it and use it as a vanity mirror. But it just looks so cute, and my desk looks adorable. So over here, I keep my bag stand. I also had this in my last video, but I decided to just put some less things on there, so I don't have any black bags on here anymore. And I just keep some of my weekend bags on here as well. So these two are from Dolls Kill, and then I have one at the bottom, which is from Gymshark. Then of course I have my mannequin with my Hello Kitty coat. Let me bring it to show you guys. If you have followed me for a long time, you know that I have been obsessed with this coat. However, I am currently selling it on my Depop and Vinted because I need the money and I have not worn this in so long, so I just thought I would let you guys know. But I always just keep this mannequin here, and I kind of just put like a special piece on here, and it's kind of been this coat for a really long time because I just don't want it to get damaged. So yeah. And then up here I just have this shelf. It's kind of an awkward shelf, I'm not gonna lie. I think I might need to do something with it. But I just keep some of my jewellery up here. I have like my jewellery stand and some drawers. Below this I have my Hello Kitty mirror, which I'm also selling on my Vinted and my Depop. But for now I thought I'd just put it here because this is where my old vanity used to be. So I had this mirror, but now I've moved it and I haven't really got anywhere else for it to go, so it's kind of just here. But it's not too bad, it's still cute, and it kind of gets hidden a bit by the bag rail. And then we come back round to my door, and I hang all of my bags up here. I'm pretty certain, yeah, again, these were here before. I haven't really moved them. I like them here, I get to see them all, and it's right next to my mirror. And then on the back of my door, I have my Victoria's Secret robe. This one is the 2018 collection. It is so cute. It was such a good find, so I like to just hang this up on my door. I might switch this to go on my mannequin after a while. Maybe once the Hello Kitty coat is gone, I'll probably put it on the mannequin because it will just look really cute. But yeah, for now, it just adds a little something. Okay guys, I think that kind of concludes my closet tour, glam room tour, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's been a while since I've done a video, and I do apologise, I'm actually ill. That's probably why I sound like this. Probably should have said that at the beginning of the video. And yeah, I'm just trying new things out, and I do want to get back into YouTube, but no promises. But I know people have been asking me so much for a new closet tour, so here it is. If you have any YouTube video suggestions, let me know in the comments. It really helps me out and it leaves me inspired and makes me want to post more. I hope to see you guys in the next video, hopefully soon. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I love you. Bye.